guys, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me for this week's Friday haul. Today is Friday, October 17th. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you like my new little intro that I put together. I also have a similar one for the outros. You'll have to take a look at that. Let me know what you think, if it sounds okay and everything with the new music that I picked. So yeah, I have a few things to share with you this week, mostly non-crafty. As you know, I went to my dad's in New York City last weekend, and he loved the Dickens box, you guys. Thank you so much. And I told him that I made a little video about it, or I featured it on a video, so he watched that and he thought he really liked it. It looks great in his shelf. So thank you guys for all the encouragement for that. And yeah, it was a great weekend. We had so much fun. We went to the New York City Ballet, which was amazing, and just hung out and went out to eat, walked around the city, went to Washington Square Park. So did lots of fun things. So anyway, I am back and I've been crafting. I've been working on, by the way, sorry for the chit chat. If you want to skip ahead, I don't blame you. But anyway, I've been working on Scrap Diva Designs projects, which I just uploaded a video tutorial, and I'm working on some KS Craft projects now too. So stay tuned for that. That'll be coming up within the next few days, I would think, a video for that. All right, so first I want to share with you one of the things that my sister got me. We always bring each other gifts. She brought me a whole bunch of stuff this time because it was my birthday recently, so she brought gifts for me. This is one of them I thought you guys would like to see. It's a Pusheen notebook and pen set. I have a similar one, but I don't have this one. So, she knows I love Pusheen too, so it comes with the stickers in the front, and the cute little pages have Pusheen on them too. So thank you so much, Kathleen. Oh, we have so much fun together when we get together. Speaking of Pusheen, I picked up this canister at TJMaxx, and I do have a few canisters, Pusheen ones from TJMaxx and Homegoods, but I hadn't had this one. I saw it on, I think it was Pretty and Flaw's TJMaxx walkthrough, and I was looking forward to finding it, and I did. The only thing was it didn't have a price on it, so and there was no tag whatsoever. So the nice lady who I asked, she gave me something similar to take up to the register and said, just tell them it was $6.90. Or the ladies in the back, tell them the ladies in the back said it was $6.99, and showed them the other canister. So I did that. I assume that this is probably worth more than that. I have no idea though. I don't remember what Pretty and Flawed said it was, but they gave it to me for $6.99 at TJMaxx. So I love it. I love the shape. I love how nice and chunky it is, and it's got this lid with the silicone on it. So I will add this to my Pusheen collection in my craft room. I'm thinking, because I have so much Pusheen stuff now, I'm thinking of adding like shelves all along, like right below the ceiling, and that way I could put everything for display up there. So I don't know. Let me know what you guys think, how you would display. I think that would be a cute idea, right? So I got that, and then, I also got this for the cats. I wanted to show it to you before I put it out. This was at TJ Maxx. It's a double bowl with base, and we are always looking for new pet food dishes because they eat a few times a day, and sometimes I don't get to wash, all of them, but before the next meal. So I got this, and this was $7.99. So I thought that was a good price, and these dishes come out of the holder, which is really good. So got that. And then also at TJ Maxx, I got this book, The Christmas Tree Farm by Lori Gilmore. And this is one of those series that I've shown you guys, like the pumpkin spice cafe or bookstore, the gingerbread one, the one I've been making the blind date with the books in. So this one was $8.99 at TJ Maxx. It is a little bent, but it was so much worse when I first got it. It was the only one there. I was putting something heavy over it in my craft room, and it looks much better now. So I'm going to do that, just turn it over and do the same thing. So this one came out in, let's see, doesn't say here. Maybe it says on the front. So this one's a little bit older than the others. Oh, okay, here are the other ones. Pumpkin Spice Cafe. Oh, so Gingerbread Bakery, that one just came out. So when did this one come out? Is this one new? 2024. Okay, so it was last year. I thought the gingerbread one was new. Anyway, got that. And then I think that was it from TJ Maxx. Yeah. I got some beautiful wrapping paper at Homegoods. My daughter and I went shopping there last week, and it's just pink and white gingham by Ruby. It was $4.99, and this is, let's see, Is that 30 square feet? I think it says under there. So I love gift wrap. I know a lot of you guys love it too. I'm thinking could probably make bows out of this, depending on how thick it is and if there are cut lines on the back. Let me cut this open just to show you, just in case you're interested too. Hang on. Okay, I got the wrapper off, and oh good, there are no cut lines on the back, which is great when you're doing gift wrapping, but if you want to use it for crafting, I don't really like the cut lines on the back if you're going to see the back side of it. So this would be fine to make bows out of. So yeah, it's just nice, you know, heavyweight paper. Oh, here's little Millie. Hi, baby. So she was sleeping on the couch when I came down here, so I guess she wanted to say hi to everybody. Oh, she knows when it's a cat food bowl, huh? Say hi. She's been doing really good. She and Gus wrestle a lot and play. You want to come over here and say hi? Oh, she's sitting over there. Okay, look at her fluffy tail. Oh, she doesn't want me to show it. Okay, maybe she'll come over. And then I got Millie. I got these at Walmart. Aren't they cute little vintage Santa ornaments? These are by Mr. Christmas, retro flock Santa ornament. They also had like an aqua one. And I wasn't going to get them. They were like close to $7. But then I saw, I can't remember who it was. If it was you, please let me know. Could have been Mary, plethora of paper, because I think she does things like this. Maybe I'm just imagining it, but maybe it was you, Mary. Maybe it was somebody else. Please let me know. I should have written it down. But they said that people are getting these and using them to make like little vintage inspired arrangements. And I don't know if if you've been following me for a while, I used to make like gingerbread arrangements in cute little like pails, and I sold them in my Etsy shop. So I was thinking of doing some like retro vintage ones using these guys. So anyway, I'm planning to do that, and I will show you guys how they turn out. I might put them in my store, which I haven't sold anything in a long time. I haven't put anything in my shop in a long time. I just haven't had the chance to create for that. So anyway, I was thinking of adding these to a little arrangement. So I was thinking I'd add like some bottle brush trees, maybe some like silver, small ornaments, something like that. So yeah, I think that'll be a fun project. And I'm taking December off from doing design team work, so I should have more time to make handmade gifts. I just need time to, make stuff for gifts and for my own, self. So I thought I would take a month off and do that. So I think that is all I have from the haul. Yeah, see, not that much. I'll probably have more stuff next week. I did get a scrapbook.com gift certificate for my birthday, so I'm waiting for the new Doodlebug Christmas collection to come in. It looks cute. It has a lot of blue in it, which is not my favorite for Christmas, so I don't know. I'll probably get it, but I'm not 100% convinced. Do you want to come over, Millie? No, she just jumped down. So anyway, that is it for today, you guys. Thank you for watching. Thanks for stopping by. I know this was a really short haul, but I was busy. Like I said, I was traveling, and I wanted to tell you about my daughter's car. I'm so sorry I forgot till the end here. Okay, so it was recovered the next day. So her car was stolen last Thursday. Friday, police called her. They had caught a couple of teenage boys who went to a local high school in the car, and they had them, they got the kids, which is really nice. They had done some damage to the front of the car and trashed the inside, like lots of garbage, and it smelled like weed, really bad. So anyway, my daughter said when she went to get the car, it was at one of the kids' house. Like they drove the car to the house. So the policemen were talking to the parents, and they called Annabelle to come get the car, and she went and got it. So we're in the process of getting estimates from the insurance company and from the body shop. Hopefully they could coordinate how much they'll pay. And she and her boyfriend cleaned out the inside, so it looks really good. It still smells a little bit, but hopefully that'll go away after a while. They use some like not Odoban, but something like that to get the smell out. So hopefully, with time that'll go away. Maybe they need a new air filter or something in the car too. But thank you guys, everyone, for your nice comments about her car. And it sucked. It got stolen right out of her driveway when she was warming it up for 2 minutes. And so now she knows not to do that again. And it's just too bad you can't do something like that in your own driveway, So anyway, they're minor, so probably nothing will happen to them. I don't know. I really don't know. We're just happy that she got her car back, and it's not too bad for the repairs. So anyway, thanks again for your thoughts for her. My husband's doing great. Appreciate your thoughts about him as well. He's actually at physical therapy right now, starting to, you know, learn how to do new things with his new leg, like going upstairs, and he's doing really good. So thank you guys, and I hope you had a great week. I hope you have a great weekend. Let me know what you're up to. And I think I'm going to be doing a lot of crafting and just enjoying the beautiful fall weather that we've been having. All right, that's it for today. Please like this video if you enjoyed it. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. I'd love to have you here on my channel. And please stay tuned for more crafty videos, tutorials, hauls, project shares, all that sort of thing. All right, you guys, I'll talk to you later. Santa, say bye. Bye.